This video, we're going to go over how to reset all the settings in this humidifier to factory default settings. If for some reason something went wrong in the humidifier, or if you were in the parameters and maybe got fumbled on the parameter numbers, it's not a big deal at all. We'll need to go over to the terminal and we'll make that adjustment, and that will take it back to factory default settings. Right now our humidifier is disabled just because we had it turned off. We're going to want to turn it on. It's going to be blinking a cloud. That means it's going to be filling up shortly. If not, we're going to see, or it will start showing you the spigot of filling with water. We could tell here that we're going to go back to factory defaults, but let's do this. If we have a set point of 70, our factory default settings are 50. So if we go back to the beginning and hit escape, hit program, and go up to number 50, and hit program one time, and it will say DFT. Hit program one more time, it's going to turn the humidifier off, at which point if you hit escape, now go back to your set point, it's going to be default 50 because that's what our settings are from the factory. Really simple way. If something were to go sideways during the setup of the many options that we have this humidifier, that's a really simple thing that you can do to make sure that we're at factory default settings. If you have any other questions, call your local representative, or you could always call the manufacturer, 1-800-729-5192. Thanks for watching.